Hey guys, I'm MJ. I'm back. Today I'm with another new video. Again, we are going to be looking at the back, means the past, not too back, somewhere around 2016. This came out, the Lenovo Tab 3 Essential. Basically, it was my first tablet. Let's open it. This is the lock screen, like this you get, and this is the basic wallpaper which is provided in it. It runs on Android 5.0 Lollipop. It has a 3450 mAh battery. Even though it has a little bit of less battery, it is little heavy. It might be around somewhere 300 grams. And at the back you have a singular 2MP camera. At the front maybe you will have, I think it's a 1MP camera. And at the top you have a headphone jack, a charging port, micro USB. At the bottom a singular microphone, and it has a blue accent all over it, and the bezels are really thick here, but that's okay. Now let's go to the settings. It takes a little time to load when you press something. Let's go to About Tablet. You can see the Android version and stuff. It has 1 GB of RAM, storage 8 GB and 16 GB is available. Also you have it in the SIM variant, which you will have a single SIM. At this side you will have a blue port like here. You have to remove it, then you will have a SD card slot here. This is just the SD card slot, there is no SIM variant in it. It is made of a Hill MediaTek processor, which is MT8127. Now let's check the sound quality. Let's check the trailer itself. It has a trailer for its own. We'll max the volume. I'm not getting any sound. We'll check on it later. You can also play games in this, but only simple games. I have downloaded here a simple game. Let's try it out whether it's working or not. You can also play Alspat 8, but it really takes a very long time to load. But once you go inside the game, it will be smooth. There will be no lag. But the time it takes long to load. You can see the game has started. It's a 1 GB RAM device, so basically you can play simple games like this. It takes a little time to exit also, and this is the normal interface. Now let's try the sound, whether it's working or not. Yes, it is actually working. It's made of an IPS LCD screen. The screen looks a little, so many fingerprints are there. Let me just clean it out. But actually in this tablet, when you look a bit closer, you can see the pixels which it is made of. It's priced around 6,000 rupees. That is a normal price range considering this 7-inch tablet. Let's now check the camera quality also. It takes a long time to load when I click on something. You can see here. Yes, and this is the camera quality in this. Let's click a photo and check it here. Basically it's a 2MP camera, so the photo is not quite good. You can see it's so much blurred. Let's turn it over and try the selfie camera. Basically same, it has the blurry effect. And this is the tablet. It's a nice tablet around that time, but now it is, I wouldn't recommend you to buy this because the screen, it looks a little bit blurry and stuff. The sound quality is actually pretty good. The battery life is very low. The battery drains a lot and you can't do more stuff. Basically you can just watch some videos, play some small games and read some books. That's it, and that's all.